Hi guys, this is Jason D and you're watching Questions for Jomie.
What's up guys? Your regular live enthusiastic Jomie Hospital, that's Jomie, and it has been a while. I apologize if I haven't uploaded any Q4J episode for the past 2 weeks. Sorry, nabisi lang jud with filming, with editing, and sa love life, bro! But I'm back here in my hometown, so might as well do another Ask Jomie. It's time for Q4J! Nelson Rosales would like to ask, Jom, what is your real name? Well, most of you probably know this because I posted a diploma 2 weeks ago with my real name on it. But sa wala pa kabalo, let me tell you my real name. Wait, let me do that in Spanish. Buenas tardes a todos, mi amigo, mi amiga. Mi nombre es Jose Maria Hospital. Yes, my real name is Jose Maria because I was named after a politician. That's Jose Maria Season because we have the same birth date and that's February 8. Gift na ko next year, ha? Katrina May Panangit would like to ask, Kuya, mag-ask lang ko kung pila mo ka magigsuon ug unsa ang ilang mga pangalan. I have 3 siblings. I have an elder sister named Cake, aka Madam Ceci. Then I have 2 younger brothers named Nico, and then si Abing, the one who played Junalo in BJ Serye.
Hi guys!
Yes guys, igsuon me. Imong mama ako mama. Akisa Buryongan would like to ask, kinsa ang mga tao behind sa imong videos? Kinsa ang cameraman, director, writer, ug tig-edit? Well, technically, I have 2 videographers in Iligan, Erwin and Mayan, but during shoot, ako Japon in charge of overall videography. Writer ako, director ako, og tig-edit ako Japon. Yes, I'm a one-man crew, baby. Princess Balair would like to ask, Hi Kuya, mangutana lang ko unsa kadugay ug kalingaw ang process of making your videos. Unsa kalingaw, Princess? Well, lingaw kaayo that I even gave up finding a day job because this is something that I want to do for the rest of my life. Matud pa nila, do what you love so that you'll never work for a day in your life. As sa kadugay, well, there's a couple of hours for conceptualization, then the filming where every episode of TOB or BJ Serye would take 1 hour to film, and then 2 hours to edit, 1 hour to render, and finally, 6 hours mag-upload because of the Philippines internet connection. Pait pa. Pwede din na. Nakjun Pakunla would like to ask, Kuya, idol kayo tika, please to answer my question. Kung na kay superpower, unsa? Ug unsay mong buhaton ani? Simple. If I were to have a superpower, I would choose the power of duplication para makamultiply ko. Then I would ask my Jomie clones, ang isa kay mag-writer, ang isa kay mag-director, ang isa kay mag-actor, ang isa mag-editor, so that na ako times ang love life. And para masaya, more videos sa dayon. Hahaha! Jewel Ray and a lot others would like to ask, unsay mong feeling na na-highlight ka sa TV Patrol Northern Mindanao? Well, it was really overwhelming. I didn't expect na ilang i-allot ang whole Star Patrol for me. And the best part is, I had it on film. What's up guys? So we're currently watching TV Patrol Northern Mindanao and this might be the first time that I can film myself watching myself in TV. So, kind of excited. Let's just hope for the best. Kung ba man di siya magulat, no?
If we hear something na makarelate, we share it. And I think it's a good marketing strategy in my part.
Excited na karon si Jomie sa iyang bagong series. Saad niya sa mga fans nga madugangan ng mga karakter, episodes ug mga hugot lines.
Oh my God! It's a whole segment dun siya kadud lang. Ay, kung tayo ngayon process. Siya, git kayo maulong ko nila ate. Roda Emphasis would like to ask, Kuya Jomie, kaila ka ni Medyo Maldito? Of course, Roda, kinsa ba na may Bisaya nga wa kaila sa iya? In fact, I'm a fan. And when I posted the TV Patrol feature, I didn't expect na mag-comment siya. May gani kay paspas kay akong videographer na kuha dyan niya akong raw reaction. And this happened.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Hello, may comment siya!
Wait! Oh my God!
Kasi ka-comment! Medyo maldito na siya!
I just need to say this kay di niya mahitabo all the time. And ako kang di sure kung siya dyan. Nag-comment si Ruel sa akong video. Congrats, Jomie. I am a fan! Wala lang. Naman lang. Siya dyan. Jomie, please! Dararaay sa imo. That's it, bye! So yeah, I think a collab is possible. Do you want a collab? If you do, just tag or mention Ruel/Medyo Maldito in the comment section and let's see how he reacts. This is it! Francis Freaks would like to ask, unsay mga qualities na imong gipangita sa imong ka-forever? Or magpakasal ba pud mo sa lain lugar na pwede ang same-sex marriage? Yay! To tell you honestly, I've never been in an actual relationship with a label because I'm very picky when it comes to dating a guy. So, qualities na dapat naasa akong ka-forever is of course, gwapo, mas taas na ako, able to keep up with my intellectual capacity, humorous, maginoo pero medyo bastos para dili boring, and then optional ang kibalo mo kanta pero preferable, dili maulaw na kuyugon ko in public, supports me in my pursuit for content creation, and willing to travel the world with me. Hay, kalamian ang guy. Naapa ba na siya? If you think ikaw na, apply na! And yes, I do wanna marry someone, somewhere, someday. Macy Colina would like to ask, hi Kuya Jomie, pwede po magpa-shoutout? Naalapod ni, sa unang pansign karon shoutout. Sige Macy, I'll do it for you. Hello, Macy! 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 Kanahan mo dyan mong shoutout. Kasagat mo kayo sa tutunlan. So that's it for this week. If you want to see the previous episode of Q4J, click right there. And if you want to become the fan of the week, all you have to do is to upload a photo of us with the hashtag HelloJomie para makitan po na kung inyong mga gipang-upload. Moto, see you again next week for another episode of Q4J. Thank you Jason D for that intro video. Once again, thank you for watching. This is Jomie Hospital saying, mahal ko kayo. God bless you! Beyonce parody in 3, 2, 1, Mag 3!
Gonna get free school.